Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday laid the foundation stone for Noida International Airport, paving the way for Delhi NCR to become the first megapolis in India to have two civilian airports for commercial flights by October 2024. MP Deependra Hooda said today that if our government had been there, today the inauguration of the international airport would have been taken place in Meham, not in Zevar. I am sad that after a lot of efforts, our airport got approved in Maham, went to Zevar in Uttar Pradesh and will not even lose or the ears of Haryana government. Shri Rakesh Raghavan Ji has been appointed as the President of the Cooperative Cell of North East District by the Congress Party. The active President of Mumbai, Mr. Charan Singh Sapra, honoured him with the policy letter. The Bombay High Court on Wednesday said the CBI can file its proof status report in a sealed cover, and it would, after hearing the state government in its rejoinder, give its reason for taking it on record. Scientists in South Africa said they had detected a new COVID-19 variant with multiple mutations in an announcement that came after a recent rise in infection numbers. As many as 66 students of SDM College of Medical Science in Karnataka's Dharwad district have tested positive for COVID-19, following which two college hostels have been sealed. A 40-year-old man was killed with his wife and 10-year-old son were injured when an explosive he had made went off in Mangaon of Maharashtra. Raigad district police said on Tuesday. The Honorable President of India, Shri Ramnath Kovind, gave away the National Sport Award 2021 at a glittering ceremony at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in recognition of the country's unparalleled Olympic and Paralympic performance recently. Very heavy rain lashed to Recurrent district of Tamil Nadu from Thursday morning as a result of a low pressure over the Bay of Bengal. The Interpol on Thursday elected India's Praveen Sinha as a delegate from Asia and its executive committee, official sources said. Former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh, who is facing extortion charges in several cases in the state, reached the city on Thursday. Swara Bhaskar has been in the news of late for all the right reasons. The actress recently won an award for Best Actress in Supporting Role for Sheer Khorma.